This is Lisa Shimola, and welcome to Philanthropy Porch Ponderings. We are absolutely not on my porch today. We are, look behind me, in Jackson Square, in the French Quarter, in New Orleans, with all of the noise that comes along with it. You've got the St. Louis Cathedral behind me, you have the Presbytere. By the way, plug for if you haven't gone to the Louisiana State Museum, you can see the Rex exhibit, and by the way, if you become a member of the Friends of the Cabildo, we're big fans of the Friends of the Cabildo, you can get in to see that exhibit for free. Anyhow, we are continuing our series, and I'm on the road, so I took advantage of having some beautiful scenery to share the next fab things that you should know about gift planning. Before we jump in, a few quick reminders to like, subscribe, and share the channel. There is a bell icon down below. If you click that, you will get a notification when a new episode is uploaded before it is even posted on social media. So let's get back to those fab things you need to know about gift planning. You might remember that last week we talked about focusing on planning all your gifts, that it's more than just deferred gifts when it comes to gift planning, and that most wealth is in assets in America. Today we are going to talk about retirement assets, particularly individual retirement accounts. So first, what you should remember about this kind of gifting is that retirement assets can be attractive deferred gifts for your donors. Typically, retirement assets that are left to individuals in an estate plan will leave those individuals with a tax burden when those funds are received. Think about the fact that you're putting money into your retirement account tax-free throughout your career, and then when you take those funds out in retirement, you pay income tax on those. If you leave them to someone, they will pay income taxes on those. Just a general situation there. So, when you leave those to a nonprofit organization, nonprofits are tax exempt. Therefore, they will receive 100% of what you leave them. So your donors may want to consider including your organization as a beneficiary on their retirement account. And it's also typically very simple. You usually just go online to your Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, log in, update your beneficiaries. I just transferred my retirement accounts within the past few weeks. It was very easy to reset my beneficiaries with the new account. Let's also talk about IRA Charitable Rollovers, also known as qualified charitable distributions. Those type of gifts can be advantageous to your donors. So under the current tax code, donors who are 70 and a half or older may make up to $100,000 of qualified charitable distributions, QCDs, or they're more commonly known as those IRA rollover gifts. They can make those to nonprofits each year. If you have a married couple, each spouse, if they have their own IRA, can do up to $100,000 a year. This also can offset their required minimum distribution for the year. Therefore, they can send the money straight to your organization, and they don't accept the income. And when you don't accept the income, you don't pay tax on that income. So for your donors who do not itemize their tax return deductions, they might be interested in this kind of giving. And even if it's just small amounts, $500, $1,000, $1,500, this can be beneficial for them. It also might encourage them to increase their giving, and then it's going to give them more cash back in their pocket for retirement. So to quickly recap, because it is lunchtime and it is getting festive out here, retirement assets can be attractive deferred gifts for your donors, and honestly for yourself to consider as well. And when they are old enough, charitable rollovers from an IRA can be advantageous to donors. Now again, this is not official tax advice. I'm just stating basic facts based on the tax code. I would always encourage your donors to reach out to their financial planner or their tax professional to find out how these strategies can impact them individually. We will get into the last of the 8 fab things next week. Until then, please like, subscribe, and share the channel. Don't forget to click that bell icon. It is straight up noon. The cathedral chimes are ringing. And with that, I'd like to say have a great week and stay fabulous.